We needed a headquarters that reflected our need to grow, scale, and evolve. This facility here represents the foundation for us to achieve our aspirations. Biomeme is a company founded to really address very complex global health challenges. The company was about 30 people in June of 2020. 14 months later, we were 475 people in 8 cities. We are really scaling our manufacturing, scaling our supply chain, scaling our entire infrastructure and administrative team. We really needed a space that offered us a canvas to design what we truly needed. Netrality's foundational backup and communication elements were really critical for us. We have experiments going 24/7. We have manufacturing going 24/7. Uptime is critical. So that involves having electricity, that involves having the network, having the real-time stream of data. Everything we do is about the data. So the infrastructure that Netrality provided, both on, the generator backups, the security, the data reliability, and ultimately the decision to move here incorporated all those elements, but it also incorporated the fact that Netrality had the same vision for the region as us. It is a partnership. Having that direct communication, that collaboration really removes challenges that we don't need. We're gonna look dramatically different in 10 years as a company. And to have the confidence of the partnership with Netrality, it's all part of the equation for our growth and our success.